Welcome to the Sygeta CRM tutorial. I'm excited to guide you through this training session for Sygeta Corporation. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to create professional business documents including invoices, offers, delivery notes, and formatted letters. These essential tools will help you streamline your customer communication and business operations effectively. Whether you're new to Sygeta or looking to enhance your skills, we'll walk through each step together so you can immediately apply what you learn. Let's get started with the Sygeta CRM platform. After logging into Sygeta, you'll need to click on the letter symbol located on the home screen. Once you click the letter symbol, you'll see a comprehensive table displaying all the letters you have previously created. This overview serves as your central hub for letter management. From this table, you have three main actions available for each letter. You can delete letters you no longer need, edit existing letters to make updates or corrections, and view any letter to review its content. You can sort the table by clicking on any column name, and clicking again will reverse the sort order. Additionally, there's a powerful search field that searches through all letter contents, including translated items and references, making it easy to locate specific documents quickly. Now click the Add button to create a new letter. You'll see there is a Type drop-down menu. When you click on it, you'll find different letter types available: delivery notes, invoices, letters, and offers. For this example, we are first going to create an invoice. In the Contacts drop-down, we want to search for Daniel Roberts. We could just type in Daniel, and it would take us directly to the contact, or search for the desired contact using the drop-down menu. Then we click the Save button to create the invoice. Since this is of type invoice, the system will automatically navigate us to the line items section, where we can add all products the customer has ordered. This is where we build the detail table that will appear in the invoice. Since this is a multilingual CRM, all the contents of the letter will be automatically translated to the configured languages. The system supports 195 languages and uses Google Gemini and other translation providers for accurate translations. We can see, for example, that our text USB flash drive has been translated to 10 languages, though most companies typically work with just 1, 2, or 3 languages. Now we enter the other required fields for the line items in this invoice, such as quantity, unit price, and a detailed description. Note that the currency is set on the document itself, so all line items will use the same currency. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, click OK to proceed. Now we're going to add another line item to our invoice. In this case, we're also selling a few HDMI cables to the customer. We'll need to enter the position number, the description HDMI cable, specify the quantity being sold, set the unit price per cable, select the appropriate tax rate, and provide a detailed description that gives the customer more information about the product specifications or features. After carefully filling in all these required fields with accurate information, we click OK to add this second item to our invoice. The system will automatically calculate the totals and update the invoice accordingly. Now we click on Document Preview, and then click the Refresh button to generate a print preview and PDF. This process will take approximately 5 seconds to complete. Note that what you're seeing is pixel by pixel, identical to the PDF that will be generated. The document is professionally designed according to German industry standard DIN 5008, ensuring that your invoice looks as polished and professional as those from Fortune 500 companies. Now we're going to click the Export PDF button, which will open a new browser window with the generated PDF. From there, you can directly print the document or download it to send via email. With this exceptional, highly professional design, the likelihood that your customers will pay your invoice on time is significantly higher compared to using your own custom-designed PDF. It's important to note that this isn't just a standard PDF. It's an e-bill that can be electronically processed, which complies with EU standards for digital invoicing. Now we're going back to our app, and this time we click the Edit button. Here we have many options available, since all these texts were taken from the invoice template that can be customized. We can edit these texts directly within this interface. For example, we can set the status to paid. You'll notice that these template texts contain intelligent variables, such as the salutation, which automatically generates the appropriate greeting. Hello Daniel if no last name is set. Dear Mr. Roberts or Dear Ms. Roberts, depending on the contact's gender setting. This smart functionality ensures your correspondence is always properly personalized and professional. We can also configure the document design from this interface. Currently, we have two professional design options available: DIN 5008 Form A or Form B, which features a reduced header area to maximize content space. These standardized formats are specifically engineered to eliminate the need for manual address writing on envelopes. They're optimized for use with window envelopes featuring transparent panels, ensuring the recipient's address remains clearly visible through the envelope window. We'll now save our modifications and navigate down to the Line Items section. Here we can view the line items we previously configured for this invoice. The system provides full editing capabilities. We can delete or modify these entries as required. Let's proceed by clicking on the pen icon to edit this particular line item. Here we could edit this line item, including the description, unit price, tax rate, and other parameters. However, we'll leave it as is for now and return to change the document's currency. We can navigate back by clicking on the breadcrumbs navigation at the top of the page or using the back button in your browser. Then we'll click on Currency, search for Euro, and click Save. We're also going to modify the language settings for our contact, so let's navigate to the main menu and click on Contacts. In the search field, we'll enter Daniel to locate our customer. We'll select the Edit icon to access the Contact Modification interface. Within the Contact Editing panel, navigate to the Language drop-down menu. Here, we'll update Daniel's language preference to German and confirm the changes by clicking Save. Navigate to the main menu and select Letters. Locate the invoice we created and click the View icon to access the print preview. Click Refresh to initiate the PDF regeneration process. The system will process the changes within seconds. Upon completion, you'll observe that the document has been fully regenerated with all modifications applied. The entire invoice now appears in German with localized headers, footers, and content, while the currency has been automatically converted to Euro as per our configuration. The next phase of our tutorial focuses on creating formatted letters. Navigate to Letters in the main menu and click the Add button. From the Type drop-down menu, select Letter, and for our recipient contact, choose Amanda White. You'll notice that a new body text element has appeared at the bottom of the interface. This rich text editor provides comprehensive formatting capabilities, including table creation and text styling options comparable to Microsoft Word. For demonstration purposes, since we cannot compose a complete letter within this tutorial timeframe, we'll utilize pre-generated HTML content for a letter addressed to our sales team. We'll simply paste this content into the editor. While the system offers extensive customization options including color schemes, font selections, and advanced formatting features, we'll proceed with the generated content as provided. The content is automatically translated to the recipient's language. After clicking Save, the system generates a professionally designed letter complete with a formatted table containing sales statistics. Given the exceptional quality of this letter, we'll demonstrate how to distribute it to multiple recipients through bulk mailing. Navigate to Bulk Mailing in the main menu and click Add. Enter a descriptive title for your mailing campaign, select the document we just created, and choose your recipients. It's important to note that recipients may have different language preferences configured in their contact profiles. The bulk mailing system intelligently respects each recipient's language setting, generating personalized versions accordingly. Click OK to proceed. In the bulk mailing interface, scroll down to locate the Regenerate Documents button and click it. The system will process each recipient's personalized document, which may take several seconds to minutes depending on the number of recipients selected. The documents have been successfully generated. You can download all documents simultaneously as a zip file or access them individually. Let's examine the language localization by clicking Download PDF for Robert Anderson. Since his contact profile is configured for English, the generated letter appears in English. As another demonstration, we'll click Download PDF for Wei Zong, who is configured as a Chinese contact. The generated letter is fully localized in Chinese, including translated city names, headers, footers, formatting elements, and all content, demonstrating the system's comprehensive multilingual capabilities. We now proceed to the administrative configuration phase of our tutorial, where you'll learn to customize document templates within Sygeta. Access the Settings module from the main menu, then navigate to Master Data in the top-level menu structure. Select Bank Details from the available options. This interface allows you to define the banking information that will be automatically populated at the bottom of invoices and offers. This data is used exclusively for these document types and serves no other purpose within the system. Now we navigate back to Settings in the main menu, select Master Data again, and click on Manage Document Types for Sales Documents. This interface provides comprehensive configuration options for all document types within the system. Document types include invoices, delivery notes, letters, offers, and additional custom types that can be created as needed. Each document type maintains its own text templates, configuration settings, and numbering schemes, critical for regulatory compliance, particularly in the EU, where structured document numbering for invoices is legally mandated. Let's select the Edit symbol for the offer document type. Here we can observe the current count, which represents the sequential number for offers. Most documents initialize with number 1000 by default. The template on the right demonstrates the numbering structure. Each offer begins with ON, followed by the year and the sequential running number. The Has Line Items setting determines whether this document type includes a structured table for individual products or services. This feature is essential for invoices and offers, which require detailed itemization of products the customer intends to purchase. The Due Date setting establishes the default payment or validity period for the document type. For invoices, this represents the payment deadline, while for offers, it indicates the validity period. The system automatically calculates this date based on the document creation date. For example, if an invoice is created on January 15th with a 15-day due date setting, the system will automatically set the payment due date to January 30th. We return to the main menu and select Settings. Then navigate to Master Data. Click on Company Settings. This module allows you to configure your organization's core information, including address, phone number, website, and all essential company data that will be automatically incorporated into your business correspondence and documentation. We return to Letters in the main menu to demonstrate offer creation. From the Type drop-down, select Offer and choose Christopher Lee as the contact for this example. Click OK to proceed. We'll now add a line item to this offer. We'll complete the position field and enter solar panel 400 watt in the description. As Mr. Lee is interested in purchasing solar panels, set the quantity to 1 with a unit price of 420 euros. Configure the tax rate at 21%, and in the detailed description field, we'll include specifications such as the manufacturer and technical details for this solar panel. Then we click OK, followed by Document Preview, and the offer is generated. This entire process took approximately 30 seconds to create a comprehensive, professional offer that maintains the same high-quality presentation standards we've seen throughout the system. Thank you for completing this comprehensive Sygeta CRM tutorial. We have demonstrated the enterprise-grade document creation capabilities of this powerful platform, showcasing efficient generation of invoices, offers, delivery notes, and formatted letters within seconds. Throughout this session, we explored critical system functionalities including the centralized letter management interface with advanced sorting and search capabilities, robust multilingual document processing supporting 195 languages through automated translation via Google Gemini integration, industry-standard DIN 5008 compliant formatting that meets Fortune 500 presentation requirements, intelligent contact management with dynamic personalization features, scalable bulk mailing operations with localized document generation. Sygeta Corporation delivers next-generation CRM solutions that redefine enterprise customer communication standards. Through its integration of regulatory compliance frameworks, professional design methodologies, and advanced multilingual processing capabilities, Sygeta establishes new benchmarks for business communication technology. By implementing Sygeta, organizations gain access to an enterprise-class document management ecosystem engineered for operational excellence. We appreciate your investment in Sygeta solutions for your business communication requirements.